Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you are the device owner and gathering proof, because manufacturers and carriers require verification to help. Once you have ID and order info, check for recent Google or local backups so you can restore data after recovery. Make sure the phone is charged above 50% to avoid interruptions. Now, sign into the Google account linked to the device on another device to confirm access, if you can. That enables official recovery and keeps your data intact. You should use the vendor and Google-provided recovery tools rather than any third-party bypass. For example, Find My Device lets you locate, lock, or erase a phone tied to your Google account. This preserves security and follows legal procedures. Similarly, log into manufacturer portals like Samsung, Find My Mobile if available. If account recovery fails, contact your carrier or an authorized service center with ownership proof so they can guide a lawful reset or repair. If you cannot recover account access and have ownership proof, a factory reset is the last resort because it deletes all data. You do this through the phone's recovery mode or via official remote erase, but only after accepting the loss. Bring the device and documentation to an authorized center to avoid voiding warranty and to get help restoring accounts afterwards. If problems persist, make sure you have account credentials and contact manufacturer support. Troubleshooting with them avoids risky or illegal bypass methods.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.